This is a cubic equation and we are asked to find the value of a. But before we proceed, I will use this opportunity to appreciate my subscribers, both old and new subscribers. I also appreciate my viewers, and I want them to also subscribe, like, comment, and also share the video. Thank you. Now let's begin with this particular cubic equation. Now you have a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 is equal to what? 36. Now we are asked to find a. So you now have, now I'm going to move this 36 into this part. To the left hand side you have a cubed plus a squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Now let's look for the factors of 36. The factors of 36 is you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 6, and you have 9. Now let's start with 1. If you plug in 1, a equal to 1 into this equation, it will not be equal to 0. If you plug in 2, here will be 8, 4, 12. 12 minus 36 is not 0. If you plug in 3, you have 27 plus 9, that is 36. That 36 minus 36 is 0. So that means a minus 3 is a factor of this expression. So now we use this a minus 3 to divide that expression to get the other part of the factor. Now when you multiply with this, you get this back. So now we have a cubed plus a square minus what? 36. Now if we divide by a, dividing a cubed by a, you have a square. Using this a square to multiply a, you have a cubed. Now also use this a square to multiply minus 3, you have minus 3 a square. Now if you subtract this, cancel out. If you now subtract, if you put minus here, you now have minus times minus, you give it plus, so you have plus 3a square plus a square. This will give you 4a square minus what? 36. Now this a divide this 4a square, you have plus 4a. So plus 4a times a, you have 4a square. So plus 4a times minus 3, you have minus 12a. Now if you subtract this will cancel out, you have plus 12a minus what? 36. Now a divided 12a, you have plus 12. So plus 12 times a, you have 12a. So plus 12 times minus 3, you have minus 36. So if you minus, this will give you 0. So because this is the same, we'll cancel out, this will cancel out. So now that means the factors of this expression is now a minus 3 times a square plus 4a plus 12 equal to 0. So which then means that a is equal to what? 3, or a square plus 4a plus 12 is equal to 0. Now on this case, we can now apply the quadratic formula, where you have, from this quadratic formula, you have a to be equal to, this is just like applying, say, a x squared plus b x plus c is equal to 0. Now using the formula, now let me just call this a1, b1, c1, so it will be different from what we have here. It will be different from this a. So comparing this equation, this is a1, comparing this equation with this one, you have a1 to be equal to 1, b1 to be equal to what? 4, c1 to be equal to 12. So now that means a is equal to minus b1 plus or minus b1 squared minus 4 a1 c1 divided by 2 a1. So you now have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2. So we have a to be equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 48 divided by what? 2. So our a will now be minus 4 plus or minus, this will give you 48 minus 16 will give you minus 32 square root over 2. So this minus 4, you have minus 4 plus or minus, this will give you the square root of minus 1 times the square root of 32 divided by 2. And the square root of minus 1 is I, so you have minus 4 plus or minus I square root of 32 divided by 2. So this is a complex number. We have a is equal to now minus 4 plus or minus I square root of 16 times 2 divided by 2 minus 4 plus or minus I square root of 16 times square root of 2 divided by 2. So this will give you minus 4 plus or minus 4i, because the square root of 16 is 4, so 4i is square root of 2 divided by 2. So if you use 2 to divide 4, okay, with these 2 you have minus 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 4i square root of 2 divided by 2. So you now have minus 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 2 as a. So that means our a is equal to 3, or minus 2 plus square root plus 2i square root of 2, 2i square root of 2, or minus 2 minus 2i square root of 2. So these are the values of a. So this is the final answer. Now, but if it happens that they don't want the answers in complex numbers, they want just real numbers, then a is equal to 3. That is it. For real numbers, then both imaginary numbers, you can now include this. So now that is the end of this. That is the end of this problem. Now you can now subscribe, like, share, and also make your comments in the comment section. Thank you.